What's the meaning of crossly? Crossly. Crossly.
Crossly. Crossly. Crossly is an adverb that describes the manner in which someone is feeling or behaving in a grumpy, sullen, or irritable way. When someone is acting crossly, they may be easily annoyed or frustrated, and their mood may be evident in their tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language. This behavior can have negative consequences on relationships and interactions with others, as it may make it difficult for them to engage in productive or positive discussions. Therefore, it's important to recognize when someone is acting crossly and respond accordingly to de-escalate the situation.